Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're working on a Jaguar X-TYPE right here at the shop, and we used to own this one. We sold it to a customer here in town. They drove it for quite a while. And now there is a problem, it's cutting out at highway speed. Stay with us, we'll show you what's wrong. Don't forget to check out our store, guys. It's down there in the description. Awesome car shirts that we have. And also, don't forget to check out our main channel. So that's the Jaguar right here. And what's causing the cutting out at highway speed and not just driving in town is a fuel filter, most likely. It doesn't have any codes, but it acts like it's running out of fuel, and it does have fuel. Injector's good, pressure's good, we checked everything. And this is the filter, guys, Wix filter. It's only like 13 bucks. You need to follow the correct flow and stuff. And we'll show you how to remove it and replace it today and where it is located. So it's pretty simple procedure, but it can save you quite a bit of headache replacing the fuel filter once in a while. This one has 140,000 miles. And it's now when it started showing that it needs it replaced. Okay, so that's where the filter is located, on the front right side of the fuel tank, right there. That's the bracket that holds. Okay, with 10mm wrench we're going to remove the bolt. That way it will gain some room, and we'll be able to move it so we can work on it. And okay, that's the rear end of the vehicle, so you can see better where it's located. Very limited room here, but trying to do the best to show you. Okay, so you see that blue thing there? There is one on top, one on bottom. You need to press both of them in and you will pull it out. Okay, it will spray in your face, so be very careful. There is pressure in the system, so most likely you'll get fuel on you. Okay, we'll try to do it here quick and show you how it is exactly. Okay, we got it there now. Second one is the same way. You don't even need to remove the bracket. Okay, it's right there. And if you pull the hose the same way, you press both things in and you pull out. Okay, you have gas leaking out, of course, everywhere. Sorry for the interruptions. Okay, right there. And now we can just go ahead and pull the filter out. This is the old unit right here, guys. Okay, it's full of gas. Okay, that's what it is. It says in and out on both sides. In, out. So you cannot get it wrong. Okay, that's a new filter. That's the inside now. You can see the flow diagram on it. And all you need to do is just feed it through the bracket now. Okay, just like that. And you need to push the hose in until it locks in there. Okay, that's a little bit better view now we can get. Okay, you can hear that click. Make sure it clicks, otherwise it's gonna come loose and you lose pressure. The car will stop running and you might spray fuel everywhere and catch on fire. Okay, this one clicked as well. You can see everything's good. Now we need to get that bolt with the 10mm wrench tied right here, the one that's holding the filter. Okay, so go ahead, get this one tied. Okay guys, that's the whole procedure. We're done with the filter. That's how simple it is. Just make sure nothing leaks. Okay, turn the car on, check it before you drive it. So that's it for today. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.